Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a creamy walnut penne. This is vegetarian compliant, but it's not vegan compliant because screw vegans, I can't cook for them anyway. So, the first thing we gotta do is we gotta toast up about a half a cup of walnuts. How you do this? Put a pan over medium heat and put the nuts in. That's it. Okie dokie, on to the sauce. And by the way, you can see in the upper right corner that I've got a pot of water for 1 pound of penne pasta. But do I really need to show you how to make pasta? If you can't do that, I don't think the outside world is for you. Anyway, you want to start off by melting 4 tablespoons of butter. And then you want to add to that 6 ounces of gorgonzola cheese. Don't worry, gorgonzola won't burn. And then you want to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And you want to give this a bit of a stir, just to try to get everything incorporated and, to prevent anything from sticking to the pan. Okay, then you want to add about a teaspoon and a half of salt. You do that to taste. And then you want to add about 2 teaspoons to about 2.5 teaspoons of pepper or to taste. Then give it another little stir to incorporate that. Then you want to reduce the heat to low, and you want to let this simmer and reduce until it's thick enough to basically coat the back of a spoon. That's about what we're looking for. All right, now it's time to add our cooked penne pasta. And also, while the penne is cooking, you want to reserve about 3/4 of a cup of pasta water and add at least half a cup to the pasta. This is just for your desired thickness of sauce. And then you want to add 3/4 of a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano. And if I screwed that up and some Italian is all pissed with me, I don't give a shit. Then you want to add those toasted walnuts we did earlier. And basically the last thing to do is stir this around till everything's mixed together and happy, and it'll be time to plate up. All right, we're at the last step. Just got to plate this thing up in a bowl. Put your desired amount in there. And then the rest of this is decoration. You could dust it with some more Parmesan or maybe some more Parmigiano Reggiano. I just decided to dust mine with a little bit of black pepper. And that's creamy walnut penne. Done.